Look, I need y'all to listen, okay? And then I need you to not. Just don't, and then can you not? Can you not never let your filter look like this? Do you see this? Can you never let your filter look like this? When your filter, look at that. Get in there, look at them layers. Yummy, look at that goodies. That means no airflow as that air passes through that system. You know what no airflow means? No airflow means that the motor that blows all the air through your house works way harder. The amp draws on it go up. The temperatures of it go up. Your utility bills go up. Everything. If you're heating your house, that heater's got to work around the clock. That AC's got to work around the clock. And then your blower motor overheats and then it fails, then it goes down. Then we got to put a new blower motor in. That's every bit of $500 for a new blower just because the filter was dirty. Change your filters, okay? Or pay me and I'll change your filters. They had a VIP membership. They just had us come do their first one. That's what we found. And I get it. Some people just don't know that they have a filter. Believe it or not, there's a lot of people that don't understand that, new homeowners. But that's what I'm here for. Share the video, change your filter, or have me do it. Have a good one, guys. Goodbye.